Everyone, so today I got a masterpiece. I don't know if y'all seen this before or what, but guess what's in here? I guessed more of these. Well, if you guess more of those, you're correct, because I guessed more of them. And I got them, and boom! Boom. I have millions of them. Millions. So, I don't know how many of these I'm going to have to fill up, because it's going to be a big amount. So, we're going to pour a little bit of them in here. Actually, you know what? I don't know if you can fill them up in here, but I guess we can try. It's a good bag for them, but that's for these. Like, ew, what the heck? So, I'm gonna go get a bucket. They know are coming with me. Little bucket. So, you know what? I'll just fill that bag up and see how it does. Because I don't feel like going anywhere. But yeah, good lighting. Because it's daylight. Boop, boop. So, we're going to fill the bag up, I guess. There's a yellow one in here. I don't know where it went. But these feel so weird when they're dried up. Dang it. This could probably... Yo, I got to show you all this. Oh, crap. Look. Oh, crap, it got stuck on my hand. Alright, now we're going to put the blue ones in there too, and we're going to mix it up. No, I'm going to have to mix them up so it looks good. Not gonna lie, orange and blue look like a bomb of color. Like, look at this. Alright, time to put some water in it. We're gonna put some of this water, but let me drink some first. 'Cause I'm thirsty. Smart water, not sponsored, but it's cucumber lime. I mean, not lime. Pineapple, kiwi, whatever. Wow, they got hard all of a sudden. Like, they feel so weird underwater. No cap. We already need more water, and they're not even done. We need more water. Like, look at this. Jesus. I don't know if it might be growing bigger. So, we might gotta put it in a bucket. Here we go. Oh. This is a heavy thing already. Yo, look at that. Look at that. I have to put more water in there, but it feels so weird. As I'm just touching it to make sure everything's mixed up. And it just feels like a gallon in a bucket full of them. Maybe even a 2-liter. No, like 5 2-liter things of it. Alright, that much water should be good. So we're gonna tighten it up. And I can't post this now. Or I'd have to stay on the thing for so long. I'm just gonna leave this right here. But yeah, I'll be posting this and I'll update you guys on another video today. Peace.